Hello guys, and today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for online courses. Business isn't quick. So first, as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here, or if you want to see templates and go with here. So let's start from here. The first thing here, you can uh, choose your topic from here, and the type of your business from here. So the topic might be here. So if the topic isn't here, you can just select this, all templates, and the type courses. So you can choose one of these templates here. You can start with one of these, or if you want to build your own templates. So let's get started and build our own templates. So here you can enter your business name, type any name for your business, for courses business, and here you're gonna build your home page. Build your home page section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section here, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive, to attract more customers and people. So all the sections must be attractive sections. Add page to your site, and here choose the color palette. You can choose any color you like, or any color match with your business. Also the font, here you can choose any font you like, and any font it's better to do for attract. So here you have to choose if you want to continue and add the description about your website and details about your website, and choose the writing style, or if you want to skip this. I'm gonna skip this. So if you want to edit, you can just click here, edit, and the first thing here, you can change this text here. Just click on it, change the text. You can type anything, for example, welcome to our personal site, or our site for online courses. You can type anything you like to attract people, or to make your site looks better and attractive. That's it. Also, you can change the color of the font here. You can change the text on this label. Just click here and change the text. Or get started. Now let's move on to the section. You can here change the grid, the row count, and the gap, and the section, the first screen, the height, and the alignments. You can also edit the background. You can select just a simple art from here, or if you wanna add image as a background, click here and select from library. Now go to the free image and search on online courses. And tutorials. So you can choose something here you like. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Now you can move this section, you can move it down from here or move it up, and you can save it from here and duplicate it. If you want to change the color of the text, you can just click here on the colors and choose any color you like. That's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. You can edit the site header from here, you can change the site title, you can upload your logo image and the mobile logo image. Also you can customize here the elements, so you can change the text on this label here. Here you can change the wave intensity and the text size. Now let's move on to the next section. First delete this image and add another one beside it here. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. Also the text here you can change it. Use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where they made, and what make them unique. And after this you can go and add the background, just a simple art. You don't have to add the image on the background, just a simple art like this. It's much better. And the text here also you can change the paragraph. And tell people about who you are here, your origin, your process, or your inspiration. Tap into your creativity. You've got this. The way you tell your story online can make all the difference. And here the social links and the social section. You can change the links here. You can add the link. Here instead of this image you can add, for example, a map, and you can change your business address and your business name, the city and the state and the country. Also you can change the design here. So that's it. The background, choose just a simple art. So that's it. After you're done from here, you can go to the settings section and add after you're done from customizing your website, all you have to do is choose this subscription plan and add product to your inventory and add the way you get paid. After this, publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for online courses and tutorials, business easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.